Hello and welcome to Sanctuary Falls Jumeirah Golf Estates. We're going to show you around this absolutely incredible 7-bedroom villa.
This is one of the most iconic villas you will find in the whole of Dubai, and it's located in one of the most prestigious streets in the whole of Jumeirah Golf Estates.
It's currently on the market for 36 million or around $9.8 million, and we're going to show you why. So here we are in the entrance hall of the property.
The moment you walk in, you can feel how light, bright and airy this whole villa is. And as you can see, there is a Scandinavian theme running throughout, and it is absolutely beautiful.
It's incredible. I think they've done such a good job of adding character to the villa without overcomplicating it. They've kept it so simple, but you know, it's just got such a nice feel to it. I mean, even the minute you walk in,
you've got Megan's favourite feature, which is
my favourite part of the house.
fake tree in the entrance hall.
When I first walked in, I had to like come up to it and feel like, is this a real tree or is it fake? But I think, you know, it just adds that real, it's got like a real natural vibe to it, a natural, clean, crisp feeling.
It's very clean, very aesthetic. You've got a double height ceiling, which I think contributes to how open it feels.
So as you can see to the upstairs, you've got a beautiful chandelier. And then here it leads through to our open plan living, dining, kitchen area. You've also got a bar and bifolding doors leading to the outside, where you have the best view I have ever seen. So as we come through, we come into the more formal, well, what I would definitely use as a more formal living area. Also to note, this villa does come fully furnished.
Yeah, the furniture is incredible as well.
I think they've done such a good job of it, and it really saves you that headache of when you, especially when you're viewing a house and you come into an empty home and you just can't imagine what it's going to look like.
You can't visualize it, but here I feel like they've broken it up really nicely as well.
Yeah, so this is what I'd say is your more formal living area, and then they have created the most beautiful kitchen / dining area that I think I've ever seen.
It's the best kitchen I've ever seen.
Let's go and have a look at that.
This is the most perfect kitchen I've ever seen.
I think they've just used such great colours. They've kept it so elegant and simple. But again, it's just got such a nice feel to it.
It's unbelievable. And the views as well from the kitchen are like nothing else I've ever seen.
You've got a view of the tee box on the golf course, and literally I can imagine myself making my morning coffee here.
It's unreal, isn't it? And I love as well how they've added an entertainment area on the way out to the garden.
So this is more of your family living space, and then through the other side of the house, we've got an entertainment area, which is just amazing. If you love to entertain, then this section of the house is for you. This is your casual living area, but they've created the best outdoor, indoor living space. They've even put a bar in here. This is where you'll find me.
This is resort style living at its absolute finest. And as you can see, there has been no expense spared in the garden either. Meg, are you coming?
Yeah, this is absolutely incredible. They've even kept this incredible theme running throughout the garden.
It's amazing. You've got a sunken seating area. You've got a huge pool overlooking the lake. You can hear the noise of birds in the background.
You've got a fire pit.
You've got cactuses.
Even got a view of the Gulf. It honestly does not get better than this.
I don't know where we should even take you next.
The basement. The thing I love most about this basement has to be that you don't feel like you're underground. They've kept it so bright and light.
There's natural light coming in through to the gym area, which is incredible.
Endless storage. You've got your lift that takes you back upstairs, cinema room and gym.
The nicest cinema room I've ever seen as well.
I think the gym's probably the nicest gym I've seen too. So down here, we've got this incredible games area. You've also got a fully equipped gym with a Peloton, reformer Pilates, all the weights and equipment you could possibly need, all included in the house.
There is literally everything you could possibly imagine down here. But let's get in the lift now and show upstairs. Conveniently, you can whiz straight back up from the gym in the basement in your lift back into your bedroom.
Upstairs, we have this massive open landing area. We've got 6 bedrooms up here, all with their own unique design, and they've all got en suites.
Not forgetting this unbelievable office space.
This is literally the perfect work spot. You would never need to leave the home. You've got absolutely everything you could ever need. Should we go check the master bedroom out?
Yeah.
The views are amazing. Welcome to paradise.
This is the most beautiful master bedroom with the most beautiful view.
Honestly, this is all you could need after a long day. It feels like you're in heaven.
Also, just to note, you have got his and hers walk-in wardrobes with so much space.
And I also love that they've added hints of green, which just, it brings back to this theme that they put throughout the house. I love it.
Nature theme.
Nature theme.
If you want to live in paradise, contact us today.
We'd love to show you around.